Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to get this really not planned, totally improvised look. It's inspired off of the song Valentine by 5 Seconds of Summer. This really was really fun to do, even though I didn't know what I was doing half the time. I made some regrets. I should have planned this out. What can you do? So yeah, if you want to learn how I turned out like this, just keep on watching. I'm going to apologize right now for the bad lighting. This light doesn't work. I only have one lamp over there, and I have not invested in a ring light yet. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I already kind of filled them in earlier today, but that was just like a casual pass using the Contours All taupey color with a little bit of the chocolate color, because this is all I have. Someone stole my other stuff. I don't know how to do this. I've never done this before. Almost 11 o'clock at night, so I'm also like sitting on my floor and my bedroom's kind of a mess. I'm still technically in the process of moving in, even though it's been like a year. I'm not really a fan of these powder eyebrow colors. I really love to use pomades, but I'm broke. Oh, that looks so much better actually. No potato, I'm coming for your brand. It's at this point when I realize that they're not going to be even done filling in this one. Gosh. So now that we have giant caterpillars on our face that our grandma likes to make fun of, for my summer foundation, I like to mix the Maybelline Fit Me in 122 with this NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat in Ivory. Neither of them are my color. Now, it does look a little ghosty, and that's because we will be darkening it up with like bronzers and darker foundations and highlighting with lighter foundations. But also the Maybelline foundation does oxidize a little bit. Plus the NYX one's very full coverage and I have a lot of blemishes that I want to hide. So because my focus is in theater makeup, I have a lot of Ben Nye. We're going to be using P125 to contour. and I'm just now that that's on, I'm going to take the Anastasia Stick Foundation in Warm Alabaster, and I'm going to use this to highlight. Any of you watched the makeup tutorial, not the makeup tutorial, the Garrett Watts Does My Makeup by Jeffree Star. 99% of you probably just watched it for Garrett Watts. I know I did. When Garrett brought like all of that makeup out, and Jeffree's all like, oh, this is a really good powder, can I have it? That's this Theater brand powder. It's the only powder I use, only powder I trust. It is pretty heavy though, so you gotta like be used to that, and since I do theater, I am used to it, but it's the Ben Nye translucent powder in Fair. For eyes, that's kind of like the main part of this look. I'm probably going to do a series of tutorials of my favorite songs from Youngblood by 5 Seconds of Summer because I am trash. Maybe even other albums like the self-titled, the Somewhere New EP, Unplugged even. So today we're doing Valentine because I did a Twitter poll. Follow me on Twitter! Gotta fix my Pikachu ears. Okay.
Okay.
And when I think of Valentine, I just think of reds and pinks and glitter. I'm also completely winging this, by the way. I have like something in mind. I'm going to go into this color here. I'm going to go into Love Letter because it's the pinkiest red I have, and I'm just gonna go from the middle of my lid out. I'm gonna go into Burgundy from the Kylie palette. I'm going to smoke out the pinky reddy mess. And then continuing to smoke it up, I'm going into Venetian Red from Modern Renaissance. And this one's going to stay mainly in the corner of my eyes. I'm going into Strange from Naked 3. Strange, this color here. I'm going to go into the pink opal color from the Alchemist palette and put that on the inner corner as well. Taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner Grind. It's the pinky one. And once again, doing that in like the inner corner just to give it some extra sparkle. Because we love glitter when Luke Hemmings is literally covering his entire face in glitter. So why shouldn't I? What a time to be alive when literally glitter is the aesthetic that they're going for. Now for my under eye, I'm just going to go in with Love Letter on the small side of the Urban Decay brush. So I'm gonna go do my eyeliner and mascara off camera because I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up and it's gonna take me like 3 retries. So. You know when you decide to do something and it's an instant regret? Did my wing with the Kat Von D's Super Brow in Scarlet. Some of this red glitter on, and then I put some on my under eye and it just doesn't look that cute, so pretend that's not there. And my mascara is the Ulta Beauty Maximum Lashes Defining and Lengthening that my sister didn't want, so she gave it to me. So I'm going in with the Alchemist palette again in the pink color. We're gonna use Caviar by MAC. I feel like that's gonna really tie this whole look together, don't ask me why. Normally I would put on lashes, but I ran out. Kind of instinctively I put on hearts and X's, and once again another regret. Sorry if it kind of sucks. It's like almost midnight and this wasn't planned out at all. Let me take off my Pikachu ears.